So we're in Idaho, traveling a bit, and there is snow. And my husband got me to the Sun Valley Garden Center, and it's called Bellevue. And I want to see what plants they have inside. Actually, I want to show you how beautiful it is around here too. Like mountains, and lots of snow, and it's like snowing, and it's April, but it's so pretty here. And we're gonna go see what's inside. And they have a greenhouse, so that's good. So they have a beautiful Dracaena. Looks good. These are cute. This is what we see here. Lots of camping stuff, lots of soaps. You can see a lot of beautiful things here. Like, it's really colorful, and I really like all of their notebooks here. They're like really pretty. They have candles, lots of artificial. I expected more of a house plant, I thought it was gonna be, but this is a vacation area, so probably that's why they don't carry too many plants. But you can see some peace lilies here. It's like very, very pretty souvenirs. You can buy them. I think this is cute too. Crazy plant lady, and it's pretty. There is a snake plant. It's very pretty here. Oh, that's a nice cup with a nice smiley face. So here are really nice pots for plants, and we can see they have here. So it's some type of flower for outside for the garden. Very pretty pots, pillows. Actually, very pretty place. Nice, beautiful things. They have a nice, actually very nice Fiddle Leaf, and it's only $2.19. The Vigor Fico Serata, but this is a very nice one. It's actually very nice. I wonder if it's cheap, because this one looks so good. And then they have here the corn plant, money, variegated money tree. That's pretty too. I have all these beautiful small plants. Oh, this was in bloom. And they have the money plant. Again, really, it's very actually pretty. This is a seasonal place, so they don't have too many, but it's really beautiful for the eye to actually look at everything. And they have these cool things that you really definitely can buy and give to someone as a gift. Not too many plants. Mine is not as full as this one, so they have nice things to buy. Very nice spot. Everyone is going to find something for themselves. These bunnies are so cute. Yeah, nice place to visit, see stuff, and buy unique things. I wish they had more plants so I can get it from you, but this is so cute too. Very cute actually. So they're lily, here's in bloom. Very nice space. Well, that's it, I guess. For right now, they don't have too much open, but they have a lot of beautiful things. Oh, that's a nice cup actually. Very nice cup. Not expensive too. Oh, this one is very cute. Yes. Well, thank you for watching, and I hope next time we come here we actually can find more plants.